Another wet day. Very, very wet. Do you think foodie's better than farmer's foot soap?
Hello.
In an amazing grocery shop that are playing Neil Young. Bonbons. Oh, and just the saucisson vendor. That's my auntie in there going crazy about food. Hey everyone, it's the end of Vlogmas Day 17, which takes me up to a full week of Vlogmas videos, and it's the end of the day. I ended up having another really full-on busy day, and you can see that in my hair. We shall call this Janis Joplin style. We should call this Janis Joplin style, as opposed to, you know, a shambles. I need to cut. So yeah, I ended up having a full-on day. Went into South London, crossed the river. Does anyone know the Tom Misch song? I want to be south of the river. It's called South of the River. Yeah, to meet my auntie. She wanted to do some food shopping in a series of posh delis / food boutiques, essentially. So we had a lot of fun doing that. And then, yeah, had a spot of lunch, did some knitting on the train, both sitting down and standing up, as you'll have seen a glance on the very short clip there. Yeah, and then I had to go to work. I actually work as a piano teacher, which has got nothing to do with my PhD, and that's the way that I like it. Sometimes it's really nice to separate between different areas in your life. And I've got to say that being a piano teacher is actually, I find it much more enjoyable than when I was a cultural studies teacher. Not to say that I'm not going to do that again. It's very likely that I will, but for now this is my part-time job. Wanted to give a shout out and say a big thank you to everybody who left a comment on my last video or got in touch with me directly saying that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, and also that there seem to be lots of kindred spirits out there with people that are a bit more low-key surrounding Christmas and or do not enjoy Christmas music. It's just really great to hear some feedback, to be honest with you, because sometimes when you're doing internet stuff it sort of feels like shouting into the abyss, the dark abyss of the internet. So thanks so much for commenting. Please feel free to, you know, chat back to me and get in touch. It just makes it feel a bit more like I'm having some human interactions. And yeah, I'm afraid that I'm now going to disappoint everybody that said that they liked my channel because it avoided cheesy Christmas songs, because this evening I taught some Spanish students and they really wanted to play Feliz Navidad. So that's what we did. So I thought I would end off this video with just a little bit of jamming. A bit of jamming on the theme of Feliz Navidad. Not quite sure what that was. Happy Vlogmas 17. See you again tomorrow. Bye.